Helping doctors. People call ambulance when there's an emergency. Ambulance comes to rescue when someone feels very bad. Oftentimes you must hurry and go through a red light, while the other cars must let her through. When in a rush, ambulance should switch on the emergency flash and make loud siren noises. Sometimes those who help also need some help. Who can help the doctors? That'd be BiBi.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair, and all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Whoa! Slow down, girl! What happened? Please stop! I can't help you when you move so fast!
And the ambulance finally stopped and told BiBi about the problem with her flashing light, and that she couldn't turn on her siren anymore. We can't leave her like that. Let's do something.
Totally understand you. You feel bad when you can't help those who need help. Okay, let's switch the PC and see what's wrong with you. Ah, that's your problem. I see. We gotta fix electronics. That's why your siren doesn't work. We should fix you up right away. The sooner the better. Come on, we have work to do. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, now let's pick you a flashlight.
Shines bright, doesn't it?
Nope, over the top. We don't want to blind other cars, do we?
What about this blue one?
It's blue, alright, but it's also wrong shape. Can't you see?
How about this? I think it fits.
Hoo! Alright! That should do it! Now there's no problem. Looks like we are ready to announce your return. Over! Can anyone hear me? Over! I think your radio broke. This is bad.
Without a radio, ambulance can contact the hospital to warn about incoming patients.
Let's get you a new radio. This one is way better than your old radio. It's always important to make a right choice. Hey!
How about this?
Nah, too old. We need a modern device. It's better for museum.
Is this one okay? It's new. It's satellite and it works everywhere.
Sure, it's new. We need the one we can speak to.
Must be this one.
Alright, just what's needed. Let's check you up. It's BiBi. Is anyone there? Over.
Hear you loud and clear. Over.
I got news. We are ready for emergency calls.
Great news. Thanks, BiBi.
What?
Thanks a lot, BiBi.
Sure. Always my pleasure.
Once again, our friend BiBi saved the day. Now ambulance can help people when there's an emergency. With a new siren and a shiny flashing light, she will come to rescue you in no time. Thanks, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Electric train. This is electric train. Every day it carries passengers. He's very strong and can lead many carriages. Electric train does a very big job and it must always be on time. Whoa, no, look at the headlights. They went out. Our friend's too scared to go through the tunnel without light. He can't stand there forever. Passengers may be late for work. Let's get help. Quick, call BiBi.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Hey, I gotta go. BiBi's workshop, BiBi speaking. Who's calling?
Over the phone, electric train told BiBi that his lights went out and that now he's too scared to enter the tunnel.
I see.
He thinks it's full of ghosts, monsters and scary goblins.
Oh!
Passengers begin to worry.
Oh no! Don't be silly, train. I'm sure there are no ghosts in that tunnel. Hold on, my friend. I'll be there in a minute. Well, I have to hurry.
BiBi doesn't have much time. We can't let A-Train be late. We must hurry.
We'll see. Ah, I see. You need a pair of new headlights. So, what options do we have?
Do you like these?
Looks old-fashioned. Something our grannies would like.
You serious? The one will blow off the candle.
We'll put it inside a pumpkin next Halloween. Woohoo! All right, that should do it. You see, there's nobody there. You shouldn't be afraid of dark. There are no monsters and go there. Besides, these headlights are way too bright.
Our friend must get back to work right away. Passengers must get to work. Uh-oh. Look, the clock went off. Nobody knows the right time.
Don't panic. I'll tell you the right time. Mine is correct.
It's 12 o'clock sharp. Let's help BiBi set the right time. Do you think BiBi can handle this task? Guys, we need your help.
Let's try. Nope. It's Roman 5.
Maybe 3?
Nope, that's wrong time. Alright, number 12. It's okay now. You can go back to work. See ya.
Today, BiBi teaches E-Train how not to be afraid of ghosts. E-Train is not afraid of dark anymore and will never be late again.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi and the glider.
Pum pum pim pum pum pum. Oh, hey guys. Do you know what this is? It's a glider. How about we try it out? Can you guess which one of this is a glider?
What about this?
Guys, is this a glider? Nope. It's a plane.
Is this a glider? What do you think?
Come on. It's a drone. Everyone knows that.
Oh, then this must be a glider. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Phew. There we go. All done. Now I can send it right into the sky.
But how? It doesn't have a motor.
Exactly. Nobody seems to know how to handle it, apart from me. If we launch it from the top of the hill or mountain, it will fly naturally. The stronger the wind, the bad and high the flight will be. That's how it works.
Well, then let's hit the town.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Wow, so beautiful. That's a good hill. And the wind is all right. Let's make it fly. I've set a small camera there, so we can see everything what's happening on its way. It will be like flying ourselves. Ah. Fly, glider, fly! Oh, what a view! Ah, we got attacked by an eagle! What does it want? We didn't do it no harm!
That eagle probably thinks that the glider is a bird, and he tries to kick it away from its territory.
But that's wrong! A glider isn't a bird! Oh no! It's falling down! Oh no! Well, he crashed. And there's a scratch on the car. And it's all down to that nasty eagle.
We gotta fix it, BiBi.
It's a good thing that scratch isn't big. I can handle it.
What do you want to do, BiBi?
I'm gonna put some paint on it. Only trouble is that the scratch is right where the ice cream picture. What kind of color should we choose?
What about these?
Let's try. Nope, not this one.
These maybe? Looks nice.
Yep, very nice. You like it? Then let's use it. Look, now it's even nicer than it was.
What should we do with the glider, BiBi? It's full of holes. We can't fix it that easily.
Yeah, we gotta take it to the workshop. I feel bad it happened. Oh, thanks a lot. I feel better already. Hey, do you guys like ice cream? Yeah? What's your favorite? Share your comments, please. And I'm off to fix my glider. But first, I'm gonna finish my ice cream. Yummy!
Bon appetit, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.